what's good, everyone? Welcome back to the #1 channel for conscious vegans. My name is T. If this is your first time, welcome. So today we're doing a taste test video. I got Violife cheese, this side right here, and we got Daiya. So Violife versus Daiya. So I'm using spelt bread, and like I said, yeah, I'm doing a taste test. I previously did one with Daiya versus Miyoko's, but I really wasn't focused on the sandwich, so I wanted to do a different one. And this time I'm using Violife versus Daiya. So let's get into it. So the bread today we're using spelt bread, my favorite bread. Yeah. So this side, like I was saying, is Violife. So I cut the Violife first, and then second, Daiya. Not an even cut, but you know. So this is the Violife. Let's see. Let's get this side right here. Let's see. I can see the inside of it. I didn't cut all the way through it. My cutting skills. I gotta get my cutting skills up. Sorry about that. Cutting skills not on the beam. Get that. Make sure that's cut. So let's look at it again. That's Violife. There's Daiya. No, that color's better. I don't want to hear that. Okay. There's Daiya. So let's actually open it up and see what's up. That's the Daiya. Let's see what the Violife looking like. So it didn't melt together as much as the Daiya. You saw the Daiya, it was like more melted together. I don't know if you can see that, but like really melted into that like bread. So that's as far as like texture wise is when you after you grill it. But now let's get to the tasting. That's the most important part. Violife right here. That's the cheddar flakes. They got mature cheddar and they got regular cheddar. This is the regular cheddar. So I'm gonna compare the two as far as each other, and then we'll go for regular grilled cheese. Let me taste it again. Alright, that's the Daiya. That's the Violife. So taste wise, I'm gonna have to go with Violife. And as far as Daiya, I'm gonna have to go with them as far as melting. The texture is way better as far as that melting wise. But for taste, I definitely gotta go with Violife. You know, I don't eat these on a normal basis, but when I do it, I normally go for Violife. Like the cheese, like the least ingredients. But like I said, I wanted to do a versus because my last one wasn't that good. You know, you can go check it out and see for yourself. But Daiya, for melting wise, if you like your cheese, you want something to look cheesy, go for Daiya. And it's the new improved texture. They got a couple ones. It's a new and improved. So check out the new and improved Daiya. And for Violife, you know, this is again the cheddar one. They got cheddar and they got mature cheddar. So I'm just doing the cheddar one. So yeah, that's my review. Violife for taste, Daiya for texture. It don't get more straightforward than that. And the bread that I use again is spelt bread, straight spelt bread. That's the only ingredient I use, like spelt flour and like filtered water. Not that many ingredients, which is, I like this bread. It's the best bread for health purposes. But yeah, appreciate everyone for watching this video in its entirety. Please give this video a like. Please follow us on our Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Hit that post notification button. Appreciate all the love and support. We over 2,000 subscriber now and growing. Like I said, we got so many videos coming, informative videos, taste testing, recipes, mukbangs, you know, everything to get people watching and learning about vegan and being happy and fun and something creative. You know, we're all about. So please, like I said, follow, subscribe, and like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.